Hi and welcome to Sammy's Aviation YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a Gemini Jets unboxing of 3 models. So let's go with it. First, I'll be unboxing the PIA Airbus A310-300. Wow, this is one of the older ones. It even has tissue paper. Okay. Here it is. PIA A310. This is actually in such pristine condition. A fun fact about this airplane is that this type of airplane was actually converted into the Airbus Beluga. Okay, now let's move on to the limited edition British Airways 737-200. Now let's move on to the 1 to 400 scale British Airways Special Livery 737-200s. Now let's start with the first one, in the Botswana livery. Now let's move on to the second one, in this livery. Sorry, but I don't know how to pronounce it. Here are the aircraft specifications. You could pause the video if you want to read them, or you could just move on. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Thank you for watching this video. Please turn on the notifications bell to be notified whenever I post a new video, and like and subscribe. Bye!